Hey, hello everybody, and I'm holding a tiny LED bulb which need a USB slot to light up. So I'm gonna test the charger by the help of this. Here we go. Oh, it's fine. It's working perfectly. Hold on a minute, buddy. This one is also fine. It's working perfectly. Both slots are working, but I feel this is a little loose here. This one is tighter. Oh, well, got loosened up here. Wait a minute. Okay. I have another charger in the car, so I'm going to test this one too. Bob, come on, please. This is fine. It's working fine. Got this, buddy. This one is not working. So you can also check your charger with this kind of bulb. And that's it for now. Hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching.